Nigella Lucy Lawson is an English food writer, TV cook and cooking show host. She is the daughter of Nigel Lawson, a former Conservative Chancellor of the Exchequer, and Vanessa Lawson, whose family owned the Lyons and Co food and catering business. She attended Godolphin and Latimer School, London. After graduating from the University of Oxford, where she was a member of Lady Margaret Hall, Lawson started work as a book reviewer and restaurant critic, later becoming the deputy literary editor of the Sunday Times in 1986. She then embarked upon a career as a freelance journalist, writing for a number of newspapers and magazines. In 1998, her first cookery book, How to Eat, was published and sold 300,000 copies, becoming a bestseller. She published her second book in 2000, How to Be a Domestic Goddess, which won her the British Book Award for Author of the Year. In 1999, she hosted her own cooking show series, Nigella Bites, on Channel 4, accompanied by another best-selling cookbook. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.